Today we are discussing about fractions and decimals. So in previous class already I told. So addition of fractions, subtractions of fractions. Okay. So today problem is, listen children. So page number 30, fourth problem. Textbook page number 30, fourth problem. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2/3 centimeters long and 3 1/2 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So in the question, what is given? Question lo length of rectangular sheet 5 2/3 centimeter. And width of rectangle. Width of a rectangular sheet is equal to 3 1/5 centimeter. 3 1/5 centimeters. So here what we can find? Perimeter. So what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? So perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B, that is equal to value, L value 5 61. So 5 2/3. This is a mixed fraction. First convert into normal fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 17 by 3 centimeters. Next 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 16. 16 by 5 centimeters. Okay children. So first one, L value 17/3 plus B value 16/5 centimeters. Now see children, this is the denominator is 3. This denominator is 5. This denominator is 5. So both denominators are not equal. So 2 is equal 17/3 into multiply this denominator 5/5 plus 16/5 into multiplication into this denominator 3/3, that is equal 2 into 17 5s are 85 by 3 5s are 15 plus 16 3s are 48 by 5 3s are 15. Now see children, it is equal 2 into 15 is the LCM. 15 LCM. So 85 plus 48 is equal 2 into 120 128 133 by 15. That is equal to 15 2s are multiplied. 2 into 133. So 266 by 15. 266 by 15 means convert into again mixed fraction. That means multiplication. How to 15? 15 ones are 15. How much? 1 1 6. 15 sevens are 105. 1 1. Okay children. Now see 15. Here remainder 11. Here 17. Okay, 17 11 by 15. Okay children, that is the answer. Okay children, you note down this answer children. Okay, you copy it. Once again listen children. Length of a rectangular sheet 17 by 3 centimeters. Width of a rectangular sheet 16 by 5 centimeters. So perimeter of rectangle formula is P is equal to into L plus B. So L means length 17 by 3 plus B value 16 by 5. So 2 into, so 17 by 3 plus 16 by 5. 17 by 3 into, so multiply with this denominator 5 because both are equal denominators చేయాలి కదా, రెండింటిని ఈక్వల్ డినామినేటర్స్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి దీన్ని 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం బోత్ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్, దీన్ని 3 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాం బోత్ న్యూమరేటర్ అండ్ డినామినేటర్. సో 17 5s are 85, 3 5s are 15 plus 16 3s are 48, 5 3s are 15. Now both denominators are equal. So 85 by 15 plus 48 by 15. Now see 2 into 85. So both denominators are equal to 15 kada. So take 15 LCM. So 85 plus 48 by 15. 2 into, so multiply 2 into 85 plus 48 means 133 by 15. So 2 into 130, 266 by 15. That is equal 17, 11 by 15. This is mixed fraction. Therefore perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangular sheet is equal to 17, 11 by 15. 17, 11 by 15. Okay children, that is the first problem answer. Okay children, listen next problem, fifth problem. The receipt requires 3 1/4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3/8 cups of flour. So how many more cups of the flour does she need? So receipt lo ఎన్ని cups of flour ఉన్నాయి? 3 1/4. Radha has, Radha దగ్గర ఎన్ని cups of flour ఉంది? 1 3/8. So how many more cups of flour does she need? Okay, listen children. Children, 3 1/4. So 3 1/4 is the mixed fraction. This mixed fraction convert into normal fraction. How to convert? 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13/4. Okay children, 3 1/4 convert into normal fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13/4. Next two. So cups of flour with Radha. Next, cups of flour with Radha. With Radha. So how many cups? 1 3/8. 1 3/8. So this 1 3/8 is also mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction convert into normal fraction. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11/8. 11/8. So how many more cups she needed? So therefore number of cups of flour she needed is equal, how many more అంటే ఏం చేస్తాము? సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తాము. See children, 13/4 minus 11/8. ఇది టోటల్ కదా. సో ఇది టోటల్ కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ 13/4 మైనస్ 11/10 is not there కాబట్టి minus 11/8. So here denominators are not equal. The denominators are not equal. Here denominator is 4 and here denominator is 8. So this one denominator is equal to this denominator. So that's why multiplied both numerator and denominator with a 2. So that means 13 by 4 into 2 by 2 minus 11 by 8. Okay children, next. So 32 are 26 by 4 2 are 8 minus 11 by 8 minus 11 by 8. See children, now 26 by 8 minus 11 by 8. So both denominators are equal. So take LCM 8. Take LCM 8. Now 26 minus 11. So 26 minus 11, how much value? 15. 15 by 8. So this 15 by 8 again convert into mixed fraction. How to convert 15 to division? Like this. 15 ni 8 to division చేస్తాము. Okay children, 8 ones are 8, 7. So here 8 is the denominator and this quotient is the whole number. Quotient is the whole number and this remainder is the numerator. Remainder is the numerator. So 1 7 by 8. 1 7 by 8. So 15 by 8 వస్తుందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోండి చూడండి. 8 ones are 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 50 కదా. 15 by 8. Okay. So this is the answer. Once again listen children. Terms of required for the recipe. So 3 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4 mixed fraction. Convert into normal fraction. ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం తెలుసు మీకు. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 by 4. Same. Terms of floor with rata. 1 3 by 8. That is equal 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 8. So how many of change needed? So that means to subtraction. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ డినామినేటర్స్ లేవు కాబట్టి దీన్ని 2 by 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఈక్వల్ డినామినేటర్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఆఫ్టర్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కన్వర్ట్ టు అగైన్ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. ఓకే, సో నోట్ డౌన్ ఇన్ యువర్ క్లాస్ వర్క్. యు అండర్స్టాండ్ children? Note down in your class work, neat handwriting. Okay children, copy it. Okay children, next problem. See children, third one. Check in the following square. Check in the following square whether in this square the sum of the numbers in each row and in each column and along the diagonals is the same. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన స్క్వేర్ లో సో ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ ని కాలమ్స్ ఇట్లా కాలమ్ వైస్ గా యాడ్ చేయాలి, రో వైస్ గా యాడ్ చేయాలి అండ్ డయాగోనల్ గా యాడ్ చేయాలి. సో యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆల్ కాలమ్స్, ఆల్ రోస్, ఆల్ డయాగోనల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఈక్వల్ ఆన్సర్ రావాలి. ఈక్వల్ ఆన్సర్ రావాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, చెక్ ఇట్. లిజన్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఫస్ట్ కాలమ్, first column. Okay children, see children. First column. Okay, this is the columns, these are rows. So first column what children? 6 by 13 plus 3 by 13 plus 12 by 13 plus 12 by 13. Now, so all denominators are same. So అన్ని denominators same ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. Denominators same లేనప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఈక్వల్ denominators చేయాలి. So here denominator is 13, here also 13, here also 13. Now equal denominators కాబట్టి 13 is the LCM. 13 is the take LCM. Now add all numerators. That means 6 plus 3 plus 12. That is equal 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 12 21 by 13 children. Okay, that is the first column. So first column lo em unnai children 6 by 13, 3 by 13, 12 by 13. So and this 3, so 21 by 13 is the answer. Next, second column. What is the second column? Second column fractions 13 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 1 by 13. That is good. Here also all denominators are same. Now 13 plus 7 plus 1, that is equal 21 by 13. 21 by 13. Next to third column. Third column children. See third column 2 by 13 plus 11 by 13 plus 8 by 13. 8 by 13. So 13 is the LCM. 2 plus 11 plus 8, that is equal 19, 20, 21 by 13. Okay, 21. So first column, second column, third column. So all columns are equal answer. 21 by 13, 21 by 13, 21 by 13. Next row, first row. First row. Children, see first row. Row means 3. Okay, horizontal round. So 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 2 by 13. Okay, children. Now here also all denominators are same. 13. Now add all numerators. 6 plus 13 plus 2, that is equal add 19, 20, 21. So 21 by 13. 21 by 13. Next row, second row. Second row. It is the second row, see children. Tell me. 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 11 by 13. That is equal. See children, denominators are same children. So take LCM. 13, 3 plus 7 plus 11. That is equal. So 13 and 10, 21. 21 by 13. So second row also answer is 21 by 13. Next third row. Third row. See children, first one 12 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 8 by 13. 8 by 13. That is equal. See children, denominators are same process children. So 13 is the LCM. 12 plus 1 plus 8, that is equal 21 by 13. 12 plus 1, 13 plus 8, 21 by 13. Next row. So 3 columns completed, 3 rows completed. Next row. First diagonal. Diagonal means diagonal cross. Okay, perpendicular. So okay, first column, first diagonal. First diagonal. Tell me first diagonal. First diagonal is 6 by 13, 7 by 13, 8 by 13. Okay, 6 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13. That is equal. 13 is the common number. LCM 6 plus 7 plus 8. It is equal 21 by 13. 21 by 13. Next, second diagonal. See children. Second diagonal. That is equal. Second diagonal is like this. It's side 2 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 12 by 13, that is equal 13 is the LCM common number. 2 plus 7 plus 12, that is equal 13 by, and numerators 7 plus 2 9 plus 12 21, 21 by 13 children. Okay, see children, all are equal, so all are got 21 by 13. So first 3 columns 21 by 13, 3 rows 21 by 13, and first diagonal second diagonal also 21 by 13. Okay children.